Do you remember this song?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now this song had a bizarre and very interesting connection with the Vietnam War. बताता हूँ. Now ये बात है 1967 की. The US Vietnam War is on and a 20-year-old US Navy sealer with the name Douglas Hegdahl was blown off his ship with a blast wave. After which he was captured and taken to the Hanoi Hilton. That was a torture camp for the American prisoners of war. पर वियतनामीज जब डगलस को इंटरोगेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो डगलस उन्हें बताता है कि ना उसको पढ़ना आता है ना उसको लिखना आता है. The Vietnamese dubbed him the incredibly stupid one. Douglas लेकिन एक गाना पूरे दिन गाता रहता था. It was Old MacDonald's had a farm. But behind that nursery rhyme was pure genius. What Douglas was doing was he was secretly memorizing the names of 256 American prisoners of war. और सिर्फ उनका नाम नहीं, he was memorizing their name, rank, capture date, सब कुछ. And he was memorizing the above to the tune of Old MacDonald had a farm. He turned rhythm and melody into pure intel. कुछ टाइम बाद वियतनामी सोल्जर्स को लगा कि भाई this is the incredibly stupid one, इसको रख के क्या फायदा है, इसको जाने दो. तो उन्होंने जाने दिया. But of course unknown to them, Douglas returned with gold. Names, faces, proof of life, enough to bring to light the fate of these 256 men जिनके बारे में ना उनके फैमिलीज को कुछ ज्यादा पता था और ना यूएस को. कहते हैं डगलस ने जो वियतनाम वॉर के दौरान किया, बड़े एक्सपीरियंस्ड इंटेलिजेंस ऑफिसर्स भी शायद ये काम न कर पाते. फिर 1970 में जब पीस टॉक्स हो रहे थे तब डगलस confronted the North Vietnamese delegates and he gave them first-hand account of the mistreatment which was meted out to American prisoners of war. Moral of the story, of course, कभी किसी को underestimate करने की गलती मत करना. और अगर कोई आपको underestimate कर रहा है, then congratulations, you have the power to surprise them. They don't. Thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Shayan. कहानी अच्छे लगे तो एक फॉलो बटन प्रेस कर दो ना. कल एक बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बताना है आपको. कल मिलते हैं, ठीक है?
E-I-E-I-O.